All right, beautiful people. Say hi, guys. Hi. Boko tako na YouTube. Okay, yep, so vamos na português com o outro salalelo. Isso com na português.
Hoje vamos fazer ressós. Estamos a ensinar a nossa cunhada como é que se faz ressós. Então ela vai experimentar e vai fazer.
Siku, me, I don't understand what she just said, but I think along the lines of we're gonna make some ressós. So they're gonna film me making it. These guys are showing me going through the whole process. Let me show you guys. So this is chicken with carrots, with tomato, with like some vegetables and stuff, basically boiled and made together, and then you mix it all up. Then this is basically like a pastry, basically, right? And then they've cut it all up, and you guys are gonna see how we get to this. Oh, we've got eggs as well, and then we have breadcrumbs as well. Ben. Okay, so Ben, look at this. Zwini na yo, o chicken Ben. Ye karabongo, boy cookie. Yeah. Ressauge. Zela. Oh, mona bien. Okay. Long back now. Nous allons prendre la barre là sur terre. Maintenant, nous allons côté classe. Oh no. Okay, the cookie. Okay. And then
I didn't make the breadcrumbs. They bought her that.
I think so, yeah. But some make it on the job way.
When you listen back to the Makas.
And then there you go. La commis vraiment maître. This, guys, become officially, I'm Angolan now, okay? I'm officially Angolan now, doing all this stuff. Then I said all that suka. Obrigada.
A few moments later.
Show the plate close, please. By the way, just in case you haven't met the Queen Mother, there she is. I don't think I've shown her yet. She is the Queen Mother, the Almighty, the one with bare grandkids.
I'm not in there.
You are. Can you pass me the plate so I can see it? So this is guys, what we were making earlier. So basically, they fry it. In fact, let me go and show you guys what it's like. Right, so these are the ladies. I'm back again. They're getting so annoyed with me with filming. I'm back again. This, by the way, is a cake that they made from scratch. It's called Bolo. That's what it's called. Bolo chocolata. Chocolate. And then here is how they fry it. So they take it from there and then put it in some oil, fry it, and then it becomes like that. But chef. So chef, you saw is I'm the lambaka. Bino people like a chef, no? Cuisine. Chef de cuisine. We don't know so at 6 but on a bino restaurant.
Combien Papi soko chia kokaka.
Natomolo.
Natomolo. Tika kasila sana nani bobo ni bado.
Natomolo.
2 hours later.
Nasaba waves. Fazer essa zona dele, passa um pouco. Até passou o tempo. Ligou na ele, tira. Ah, ok. Quando eu vai para na Inglaterra, eu vou traduzir a inglês na vida. Mas você tá percebendo como que ele quer, né? Basta um bocadinho, responde.
Mana teh? Kata. Kalau.
Même jour on a ben à Zaloba.
Wow. This is the end of Ilha, but
anything.
Ilha is that one. Porque vou continuar para restaurante, vou comer vou olhar Mari, já kuna.
Alone in a young one. Babe, do you have your bag? Okay.
Kiba mo pepe me mango ya. Até koti. Bali sama ka. Apesar.
Como é que o peixador é freshman?
Nada. So eu coach ali é. Acho na coisa da sili.
Pescar, essas horas. Quanto essas horas?
Guys, please see how massive this fish is.
And here, this is good fish.
Look at the size of that. Bloody hell. See these? Oh, these are good.
Buy a few different
I
ones.
think some of these. That one is what kind of fish is that?
Yeah.
Chef.
Guys, look at that. Look at this fish. He's bringing out the big things, babe. Look at how massive it
Big
is.
thing.
Wow. I don't know what Kuba even wants.
Combien vous? Huh? 25,000. 25k.
With the special.
It's a bit though. Because 64 is 100. So
Yeah, it's like 20 quid. Oh, see, those kind of sizes I think
These
are
ones,
these
okay.
are decent.
combien? How much? Combien?
Quanto que é?
10,000. Huh? 10. 10.
10 mil?
Fam, I don't even think I even had that much.
Aqui é 5,000.
What the hell?
5 mil?
A few moments later.
Oi, Thompson, não? Oi, Carapau.
Carapau. So I'm gonna what pay a bill?
Muita pescada, né?
Baby,
Essa aqui. Pescada, essa aqui. Essa aqui.
I don't want all this KFC rubbish. This is the
Look at this American youth.
Listen, I am Boomba now. Yeah.
Wait, the lighting is not good. You have to go in.
You see restaurants in the UK, yeah? Jolting, joke men, joke people. Get me? What's up? Power.
Guys, we're literally picking our fish.
You pick your fish.
You're picking the fish.
I love Angola. I love Angola.
I love this game.
I love this game.
Did you say I love this game? I love this game.
Hey, irrité Watana.
Look at this guy. Where did you get?
Alcohol.
Como na ilha, não viu?
Wow, you know if it was like an insecticide.
Ele é grande. A Santa Cruz é meio da uma criança. Apple, you know?
Wow. Siguro oil nani?
Eu tenho que oil.
Oil.
Sopa também frango, né? Bem brother. E os outros não tá, né?
Oh, guys, it smells so good.
That's a whole fish, you know.
Mama
Bitumbe ko bandawa.
Mama nangai. Mas olha que bando, já não tinha de assumo.
Babe.
Oh, Ligue des Champions ko bandawa.
Basi.
Yeah, enfermeira.
No.
Medicine.
No. Oba botsa basi.
Sim, babena. Parteira.
Parteira.
Yeah. Muito aí.
Tem como tem branco aqui em parteira.
This is a whole fish. Guys, this is a whole fish. I don't think anyone understands. Like, I've never done this. We picked our fish fresh, by the way. This fish was caught this morning.
Which type of fish?
We chose which type of fish. Which one? They just laid it out
Yes,
for us.
yes.
Which one did you want?
Beautiful.
Ele não catch.
Pode me dar aqui, faz favor.
Bitumbe
ko bandawa.
A bandi déjà.
Bon appétit.
Oh,
Merci.
merci.
Babe, pray for us.
Guys, if you guys are ever happen to be in Angola, you ever happen to stumble on this place, let me tell you right now that this is the place that you need to visit. They make the food fresh outside. They grill it. They grill it. Guys, listen. This place. Guys, look at how we're working here in a way. Bokutani. Ukumneni.
Oi, nani kinanganda? Nem musunda bute.
Como é que é? Como é que é?
Ndio sana ngao.
Kaka bebê, oyo bebê.
Sapo.
Fala sapo.
Oh my gosh, she's taking pictures of me as I'm filming. Good morning, world. Say hi, Coco. These guys. These two, they argue, they make up. They argue, they make up. But you know what? It's been great because it's meant that Ben hasn't had time to even annoy me. So it's been great. He's there. Been So guys, we are off to. I didn't even tell you guys where we're going today. Where we're going today. There were gunshots the other day, guys. I think it was even yesterday. No, the day before yesterday. Hilarious. Anyway, guys, we are walking. This is why I'm losing a bit of weight. I don't know if you guys can notice from the video before, because you actually walk when you're here. Whereas back home, always in the car. But yeah, off today to get nails done, hair done. I might even just for fun, just because it costs like £3 to get your hair done here. I may get this hair taken out and do another hairstyle today. See how I feel. And then next week do another hairstyle. Just because, yeah, doing all of our stuff. Obviously New Year's in a couple of days. And also because Coco, who's there, which means grandma, it's her birthday soon. She's turning 70. As I was trying to say, there's always something happening. As I was trying to say, guys, we're off to get our nails done because it's also Coco's birthday. That's the second time that's happened.
Days later.
Corta. Dale, mamá. Come on. Okay, so shoot that in. Okay, boy. I thought you were gonna start dancing.
Who?
You.
Definitely not.
Look at it, boy. Those are us, boy.
Wapi?
Mamma mia. Oh, I even stepped in mud. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. I'm trying to act cool. I'm trying to act cool.
Other heads down there as well.
Guys.
Right at the back.
Guys.
A few moments later.
Oh, Jesus.
Two hours later.
Mano Benny. Hey. Coco. Go on, babe. Hallelujah.
matondi kati na mboka na yo iya osona komona mokola lelo elonga na libota na nga Yesu oza nzambe nani akokani lokola yo azali te likolo se obele yo Yesu Masiya yo nde ekimeli yo nde ebombami na biso ya butu na moi merci lisusu nkolo yo lobi libondeli na masumu yo koyokaka ngo te napusani pembeni na yo na ntina na komekitisa kobanda ntongo esili kotana kino na ntango oyo papa yo oyebi lolenge nini oyo totambwisaki bomoi na biso nakoloba nakotonga nakotiola nakoyimayima yawe tozali bato twali kokoya mokolo na mokolo limisa biso papa limisa mpe libota na ngai esika nyonso ezwami bango papa kotangela biso mabunga te kotangela mpe libota na ngai mabunga te soko limisi biso papa banda kosukola biso na makila makila na talo makila na elonga makila oyo egangaki oyo esopanaki na ngoma na Golgotha eleka na konzipa libota na ngai esika nyonso ezwami bango papa.
Yes, corporate. Hey, I thought. Hey, vai de peito, ué.
You to that one. Plenty more when we sound fun.
Tela, Gogo fanda na yo, umela seko na seko, babona mutu, hey.
So guys, I felt like it was only right for me to give you guys a little bit more context because between the 1st of January all the way up to the 6th of January, which is when we actually left to go back home, I barely vlogged, but that's just because we were enjoying moments like this, enjoying more time with grandma, and Ben's family and friends came over, especially on the 1st. It was aunties, uncles, family, children. It was amazing. And then after that, I pretty much just used that time to really enjoy being with family. And just like that, guys, it was the 6th of January and it was time for us to go home.
Go home. Come on, baby. Go on, baby.
Bam. I'm back.
Young baggage. It's like this guy. The alarm went off because of you. You better just collect the baggage. Look up, Ben. My suitcase. One thing that you can't deny is that it's distinct. There's my name on it.
bomba biso papa lokola soso azali kobomba bana na sama papu moko na moko akoluka biso papa kuta nobele na makila na yo Yahweh makila na yo papa eleka na kodipa biso makila na yo eleka na kobomba ndako ya mwana moko na moko papa kobanda luwanda poto kisasa esika nyonso liboto ezwambe Yahweh yo nde mobateli malamu yo lobi motongi akotonga na pamba mobateli akobatela na pamba mobateli malamu papa ezali obele yo Yawe merci mpona kokomisa biso mokola lelo merci papa wana yo osili kokomisa biso mokola lelo nzambe toyebi te esika nyonso libota na ngai ezwami kimia esili kokota soko olimisi biso lisusu Yawe yo lobinga na kei na kotika bino likomba te na kotindela bino mosungi yango nani papa obele molimo santo molimo na nguya molimo na kimia molimo na sagesse pe molimo na mososoli Yawe molimo ebombelaka biso mabomba mite molimo ekitaki na tango na Pentekote papa ebanda kokite na libota na ngai banda kovisite banda kozwa contrôle ya moko na moko kobima na bango pe kozonga na bango nzambe simba makana maboko na yo esika nyonso liboto ezwami Yawe mingi bazali kobima Yawe kokota na bango pe kobima na bango sima liboso papa yozala mobateli pe mokengeli Yawe kobanda na tango pe libela na libela Yawe libota na nge simba makana maboko na yo longola mipepe nyonso oya ba maladi mipepe nyonso esili kotelemo ekoyaka na desordre papa na tindiki yango musika na kombo na Yesu obele makilano papa ebanda korenie bokonzi na yo papa ebanda kosala contrôle kati na libota oyo Yawe merci natiki buto ya lelo na maboko na yo natiki pe mokola lobi nzambe na maboko na yo kolala na biso pe kolamuka na biso nzambe sima makala maboko na yo Yawe yo lobi eloko yo simbi moko ta kobotola oyo kangi moko ta kufungula obele bokonzi no papa banda korenye Yawe sala ya bikamo pe sala ya minene nzambe so na komono yo zali kosalela ngakati na libota oyo oza nzambe papa oza nzambe Yawe natali sima liboso Yawe nazali komona kakobele yo liboso na ngai merci papa natiki butu ya lelo na maboko na yo nakabili bota na ngai na salo boko na yo oh Seigneur natatoli elonga natie victoire na libota na ngai natie victoire na libota na ngai natatoli elonga merci papa mpona kobatela merci mpona oyo osaleli biso Yawe moko na moko papa nayebi te kati na bano nzambe basili kopanzana esika na esika Yawe yozala mobateli na bango zala mokengeli na bango nasengi bongo na kombo ya tata pe ya mwana pe ya molimo santo amen.